here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and welcome to almost the end of the week. We got one more day, then it's the weekend, and the good news is sunshine on the way tomorrow. Clouds lingering tonight. Some might linger first thing in the morning, but should burn off in the afternoon. Fingers crossed. Sometimes when we have these cool weather patterns where temperatures are just about the same at the surface as they are at 2,000–3,000 feet, those clouds are slow to burn off, and that always happens in the wintertime. But we think we're going to resume sunny skies tomorrow for sure, and a good-looking weekend ahead, albeit on the cool side. So let's get into it. Take a look at what's happening in the lower 48. And we're kind of the only game in town with this weather system that's moving through the Gulf and the southeast U.S. This is going to turn into a big low pressure system along the east coast, but we're not seeing much of that. Just patchy light rain, drizzle, but that is pretty much exiting the area. And if you look close enough, here's the back end of the clouds. And then with the cool air, you see how the lakes in Texas show up nice. They are darker. Why are they darker? Because the water here is warmer. So that's Lake Conroe. That's up in the East Texas, and you see the lakes around and east of Dallas and northeast Texas. So clouds eventually coming on out later on tonight through tomorrow morning. Latest 3-kilometer nested NAM models keeping some of that stratiform clouds around first thing tomorrow morning, but the model burns it off pretty quickly by noon. It's going to be a breezy and cool day with temperatures starting out in the upper 30s and topping out in the mid to upper 50s. Then tomorrow night, with diminishing winds and clear skies, we do think it's going to get frosty as we head into Saturday morning. So certainly you may want to cover the plants. You may want to do that tonight and just leave them covered through Sunday morning, because we could see a frost also Sunday morning. And then as we head into Saturday, sunny and still seasonably cool. A nice day, temperatures similar to tomorrow, but with less wind, so it's going to feel a little bit milder. Sunday, we should get into the lower 60s. And here we go with the European model looking at Sunday, and we'll be in the lower 60s. A relatively benign pattern. There's that low. Watch the way it gets cranked up and moves up along the east coast. They could see hurricane force winds just offshore the east coast. Meanwhile, our weather is nice and benign. We have weather systems staying up across the plains. Going into Tuesday, still another nice day. Wednesday of next week, fair to partly cloudy skies. Low pressure begins to get cranked up to our north and west, and that's going to warm us up toward the end of the week. We'll get well into the 70s Wednesday, Thursday, and perhaps Friday. And our next weather maker comes in Friday or Friday night in the form of a cool front, but that will set us up for another nice weekend, albeit a cool one down the line. So we've been on a roll on nice weekends, but certainly cool ones. And it's going to be chilly tomorrow morning, low to mid 30s, close to freezing up toward Alexandria, where it will clear out. So certainly could be a little frosty up here. Mid 30s as you get farther to the south, Opelousasville, Platte. Mid to upper 30s, I-10 corridor, 37, 38 looks to be a pretty good number, and upper 30s to near 40 along the coastal parishes. And then for tomorrow, after that chilly start, temperatures warm up nicely tomorrow afternoon. Getting into the 50s will favor the mid to upper 50s for tomorrow afternoon. Then tomorrow night, that's when the chill is going to be on, low to mid 30s, and anywhere in the light shade of blue, we could see some frost. So keep that in mind. Tomorrow, though, morning clouds giving way to afternoon sun. Should be a nice day. Temperatures in the 50s, chilling out for tomorrow night once again. And as we go down the road, there it goes. Temperatures still below normal, but back to near normal by Tuesday, Wednesday, and then a little above normal for Thursday, Friday, but another chill down for the weekend. Best rain chances right now between the GFS and Euro model will come on next Friday night, but overall, not a bad looking weather pattern and not nearly as frigid as just 24, 36 hours ago.
Yeah, we like that. All right. Thanks, Rob.